In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a distribution list in Outlook. Now to do this, first you want to go to the top left here and you want to click on People, and we're not going to add a new contact. However, we're going to click on where it says New Contact and we're going to click on New Contact List, okay? This is going to allow us to actually create a distribution list. So I'm going to click on here and then you want to give it a name. Now in my case over here, I'm just going to name it Distribution List over here, but of course you can name it whatever. You could go and add a description as well, and then in here you have to add your recipients. So in my case, I'm just going to add myself right here, just like this. Okay, and of course, whenever you've added one, you can add by clicking on this button over here. Then you want to type in the second email address. So if I, for example, use one of my emails over here, which I use for examples, there we go. And you can, of course, go ahead and add all the recipients on here. And as you can see here, it says they are private and visible only to you. And you can email everyone in a contact list at the same time, which, of course, is what these distribution lists are for. When you're done, click on the Create button over here, and you'll see, there we go, you have a new contact list. We call this one a distribution list, and you can then go and basically email them. You can edit this or you can delete this. So I'm just going to click on over here, and I can go and email this distribution list over here, okay? So that's how to create it, super simple. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.